Fun flotation device. It was such an intense slope. It was a continuous, like 4 hills that we had to climb. And by the time we reached Kerry Park, we were out of breath. So now we're going downhill. It's a little bit easier. We just arrived at the Washington Park Arboretum. This is the visitor center. It's closed right now. There's a restroom. Did we just make a circle? Okay, let's go straight here then. We found mushrooms. Time for my next feast. Look, we found raspberries. They're so tiny. Bainbridge Island. This is the cream cheese frosting cinnamon roll, croissant, and black bean soup. Nom. At Green Lake. Can't wait to go in. Steering it? Okay, we're paddling. We're really far from the dock. We're getting close to that weird thing that we're full speed ahead. photobomb. Really good. It has nice fizziness and rose hint. We're gathered here at Stephanie's place. And Andrew's the chef. Andrew's working hard. No. Can't wait to try out the stir-fried udon. So today we're at Bellevue. It's more of the affluent area of Washington. And today is actually cooler than the other days that we've been here. But so far the weather has been great. Taiwanese beef roll and the Taiwanese burger. Alright, trying to find a good way to eat this without getting too messy. That's smart. Oh wait, they did that on purpose. Oh. Wow. Hey. Like peanut crumbles that are sugary on top, and then it's the braised beef. The bun's pretty soft. That'll be a little bit more juicier, but it's not. Alright, so we were trying to enjoy our mini lunch, well, pre-lunch, at facing east, the Taiwanese store, and then this lady sees us like eating on the bench, and she asked us, she's like, "Hey, are you guys the nail salon people?" And I'm like, and then we stared at her for like a good few seconds, and then she asked it again, but in a slower manner. I'm assuming she doesn't think that we understood her. In my head I was like, I can't believe she actually asked. You know what? I'm so done with these people. Oh. But anyways, yeah, I just said like, hey, I don't know, it's that way, and then she's like, oh, I'm sorry, and I don't know. Done with it. Miso ramen.
Soybean, chicken rich.
Chicken rich. And your tonkatsu. We'll try the soup. Here behind me is the Bellevue Downtown Park. Still got our drinks from Happy Lemon. It tastes like strawberry milk. It is strawberry jasmine green tea with crema. It's actually pretty good. It tastes like strawberry milk, but like very fresh. And that hints of kumquat too. So I recommend this.